guys, like this security woman, she came in here like in our room. We didn't have no mask. She's like, oh, you gotta have a mask. Hey, hi guys, how are you all doing? My name is Patty. If you're new to this channel, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So today is another week. It's actually Monday and it is 2:05 p.m. right now. I'm trying to upload a story. I don't know why it doesn't want to upload. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, if the lighting's off, I'm so sorry. Like my ring light is open and I'm just in my room right now. I'm actually going to my school. I need to go get like a book that I paid for basically. So I'm gonna go to my school. I'm gonna go get that. I don't think I will stay there and study there. I was thinking about coming back home and study here instead. I was just doing my makeup. Damn, I need to revamp. I just put on this wig. I haven't been wearing a wig like in a while. I've just been rocking my natural hair, so I put this wig. It was just like, you know, like standing on the wig stand. But yeah, I definitely need to revamp it, but I'm gonna do that another time because my bus is actually in like less than 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go to my school. I guess I will bring you guys with me, but I'm just really just picking up a book. Sorry if I'm up close and personal, like my arm is hurting. So I'm just like picking up a book. I might show that, I might not. Then I'm coming back, and when I'm coming back, basically I just need to, all I need to do is I need to study basically, because I have an exam. My second midterm this Sunday. So yeah, this week will probably mostly be, sorry about that. This is like, I think this raggedy corner. I changed like my my desk space. I don't even think I ever showed you my desk, but right now it's really messy, so I won't show it to you guys. But yeah, I'm basically just in my room right now. She looks cute, you know, she looks cute minus the hair, but you know, I'm gonna revamp. I'm gonna have another wig like tomorrow anyways. This story, I don't know why my Instagram is bugging. Did I even save it? So I feel like I posted something this morning, but I feel like it didn't post also. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to my school. I have to take the bus. I just need to put everything in my bag and then I'm going to take the bus. I'm also going to be I'm gonna go make a coffee real quick. So I'll do all that and I'll be back with you guys at my school. So I'll see you guys like shortly. I'll probably be vlogging on my phone because it's too much, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Hi everybody. Guess who's who? No, so I'm here at school. I'm with my, en passant, faut regarder ici.
Oh, yo, so bad.
So I'm in a class. I'm studying. I'm gonna be studying with the twins today.
Hi.
This is Sheila and this is Shelly. Their Instagram will be on the screen and down below. Mais vous pouvez dire vos Instagram aussi. What's your Instagram?
God. Okay, so my Instagram is shitupad.com.
Girl, isn't it your Instagram? Why are you looking at me?
It's Sheila Busquet. You can find me on Instagram.
Period. Okay.
Period. And me, it's Shelly Busquet. So yeah.
Oh my period. God. I don't know why she was stuttering, but you know what? Stutter it is. So yeah, we're just in a classroom. This is the class. It's kind of small. I mean, it's not that small.
But it's a study room, so
yeah, it's a study room, so it's normal. Oh.
I'm sorry. We're not supposed to be without a mask.
Yeah, we're not supposed to be like without a mask in the class. Mais est-ce qu'ils sont venus tantôt?
Non.
Ok, ouais.
Okay.
And we have a view. We have a lovely view. Downtown.
Oh. Okay. Moi, I was doing my to-do list because
I need to do that too though. But I need to study first because girl.
Tu dois manger?
Study. I'm not hungry.
Hi, it's Shirley, and this is my twin Sherla. Hi, it's Patricia, and we are in this together. We are in this together. Yes, we are. We cute or whatever. You cute. We cute. We're being disrespected or whatever. Yo, imagine on vient pour nous again.
Trap money. She got me in the feelings.
Okay, so I will be studying accounting because I have an accounting midterm this week, so I need to study that. I also need to plan. And that's all.
Say you never ever leave from beside me. 'Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.
I show 'em how to network. Fuck that Netflix and chill. Watch some network.
'Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you, down for you, down for you always. Kiki, you love me. Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. 'Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, baby. You love me. Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. 'Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you, down for you, down for you always.
Ouais, ça fait du sens. Ok. Avec WhatsApp. Mais ça veut dire que c'est Dieu qui nous envoie
Avec
les
WhatsApp
signes.
aussi. Mask is mandatory, you have to wear it all the time.
Sorry.
Okay, are you Concordia student?
Yeah.
I want to see your ID, please.
I don't have my ID
No? Where is it?
in my house.
Okay, it's not at your house, it's here, that's at your school. I will not take your name, I will not take your number, just to verify that you're Concordia students. So the mask, makes a month we're saying that you have to wear it, thank you. That is mandatory, so you should know it by now. Next time, it's gonna be infraction.
Okay. Okay.
Perfect, thank you. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Tu dois avoir des règles
Guys, like this security woman, she came in here like in a room. We didn't have no mask. She's like, oh, you gotta have a mask in the room. She was like, oh, are you Concordia students? I was like, bitch, why wouldn't I be? If I wasn't, why would I be here? She's like,
Je sais pas qui l'a laissé ouvrir les portes comme ça. Non, elle fait ça depuis genre 3 semaines maintenant. On est toujours ici, elle est toujours ici, mais dans le fond, elle a dit une fois, genre première fois, warning, deuxième fois, maximum, troisième fois, expulsion.
Tu sais, c'est pour ça même que je prends ça pour laisser devant la porte.
Ouais, c'est ça qu'on faisait avant aussi.
Okay. And then vous avez dit, you don't have to wait. Yo, she better come again for me, because I'm going to come for you. Moi, je suis pas comme ça.
Ouais, où ça?
nice. Yeah, so basically she said that we can get like expelled if we don't wear like a mask.
Elle utilisait ça pour bloquer leur part?
Yeah. Yeah, c'est ça qu'elle a dit.
Mais.
Yo, this woman is crazy. Oh my god.
Yo. C'est ça, c'est tout. Watch me remove my mask anyway.
Mine is already off.
But I don't understand why she's doing that. Literally, she came into
Nobody
the room.
understands.
She was like, oh, but she asked Patricia for her student ID. Patricia was like, oh, but I don't have it. I don't have it with me.
I had it.
And she was like, oh, you're supposed to have it at school, not at home. I'm like, what? Anyways,
After she was like, oh, where's your card? I was like, home. She was like, first of all, her English, girl, you cannot speak English. That's first of all, fix your English. And then she was like, oh, not at home, bitch.
Well,
Anyways.
as an advocate for broken English people. No,
your
I'm
English
sorry,
is not
but
that bad.
her English was like, girls, I'm not asking you to remove take off.
No, she was stretching it. Okay, so I just left the girls. I'm in a Dollarama right now. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but yeah. That's what I'm buying. Okay, so I am back home. Period. I kind of look good. Damn. Let me come here. Oh no. Here. I kind of still look good. Like the mask didn't fuck up my face too much. But yeah. So this is how I look. So it's 8 o'clock. Damn, 8 o'clock on the dot. I'm so hungry, so I need to find something to eat. I think my mom made some tacos. I mean some pita. So I think that's what I'm gonna eat. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna eat. And I'm gonna take a little drinky drink. Cause she bought non-alcoholic beverage. So that's what I'm gonna eat. So this is what my mama made. And I'm gonna eat that with some tacos. So these bread. With this bread. Oh, and she even bought some cookies. I'm having one of those also. This is so good. Ooh. Okay. So let's make us some food because we're hungry. And plus I bought some chip. I'm kind of mad at myself that I bought some chip though, because there's actually food here. And by the way, if you're like hearing voices in the background, like my parents are in the living room, so that is the voice that you hear. Let's do this. What my food looks like. I know it's basic, but I'm really hungry. I have my little drinking drink there, my little dessert, and yeah. So I'm gonna go eat in my room. I'm gonna watch some Netflix. I'm gonna put here, the lighting is way better. So I'm gonna go eat a little bit and in my room and watch some Netflix. And then my sister needs to braid me for tonight. I hope she will braid me. She said she's tired, but let's cross finger that she can braid me. And then yeah, I'll study a little bit and then I'll go to sleep. But she looks cute. I can't believe Instagram was down all day today. Can we talk about that? Anyways, let me eat because I'm hungry, child. And I don't know. Yeah, I think I'll come back to you guys to close out the video. And yeah, so bon appetit to me. My sister is going to braid my hair because I want to put like, I want my hair flat so I can probably like put my wigs on. Plus my sister's a braider for all the people in the Montreal area.
Not taking clients at the moment, but coming soon.
Yeah, coming soon. She's gonna release like the schedule on her Instagram, right?
Yeah.
Guy said Indian guys.
Indian guys.
So yeah, she's doing my braids. Everybody says that like my hair got longer.
You did. Nick, stop. Yo. Did you see how it was before?
My brother's a hater. But my hair is actually getting long now. I don't know how I feel. Because
She has a mini afro.
I enjoyed having my hair short.
I don't know how I feel about this.
But now
I
it's getting
can't do
longer.
it anymore. Mom, help me.
Oh my god, you're doing the most.
Maman, c'est tu.
Mama.
I'm down for y'all, down for y'all, down for y'all always. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you, down for you, down for you always.
Okay, so we're halfway done with the hair. I still look cute, bitch. No, I'm just joking. So yeah, I still look cute. We kind of have a lot to go still.
No, just like 3 braids.
3 braids. We're watching The Guilty. Tell me if you guys watched it. We are watching it on Netflix. So far it's okay. I mean, it's okay. I'm just waiting for it to get maybe, because I don't really get what's happening right now. But anyways, also my sister bought me some candies. I swear I've been eating so much sugar lately, but
Yeah, for real.
I'm going on a detox next week, so
Really?
I'm just gonna be like juicing because I've been eating too much sugar, too much like junk food, you know. So I'll be going on a detox for sure. So yeah, I'm just gonna be finishing my braids. Well, my sister's gonna be finishing it for me because it is what it is. But I'm gonna be here looking cute. And yeah, I'll come back when the when my whole head will be. Hey guys, so I'm back again. No, I'm just joking. So I'm back and I'm fully cornrowed. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna ask my sister to like take a good video of how the cornrow came out. I look cute like that. I could actually like even get out. Do you think I could go out like that?
I mean, if you do your edges, but they're not like neat, but you could. But you just have to do your edges, you know, look at little.
She cute or whatever. So yeah, she finished all of the cornrows. So like that, tomorrow we'll be able to put my wig on.
And I'm down for y'all, down for y'all, down for y'all always.
Yeah, I'm kind of tired right now. I wasn't tired all day, but right now I'm starting to be tired. So I'll just finish this. I'll finish the movie, and then I'm gonna clean my face, and then I'm going to bed where I belong. And I'm gonna wake up earlier tomorrow, because I'll have to study and. Yeah, I'll have to study, so I really need to wake up earlier tomorrow so that I can study. But yeah, I'll close out the video for today and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.